Alright, we've kind of discovered something strange.
I know that.
This is Lugnasan.
Ned knows about these too.
These are very bad luck right here. Don't ever let anybody give you one of these right here. These are very bad luck. They look colorful and they look innocent and cute and endearing, but they're not. They are cursed. And there's potions. I recognize love potions. And also curse potions for cursing people.
I know this.
And there is also a jackal-faced dude with a pretty good sized member right here. It's flaccid, so you really can't tell, but he's packing something down there.
He's a grower, not a shower.
He's a grower, not a shower. And he seems to be some sort of aquatic god with a casket. There's also bread for some reason. There's bread. Bread and lollipops. I don't know how that fits in with the whole theme, but something's going on here. And we're getting ready to go down to the falls. Lynn, are you ready? Lynn's not afraid of Siquijior. She says she's not afraid of superstition and all that. What do you think of this? Does that bother you? Does that disturb you in any way? Speechless. We haven't even gone up to San Antonio yet. So here's the approach to Zodiac. It's basically just walking downhill for a long time. Be careful. Hey, so we're here at Lugnasan Falls, and there's actually a little souvenir stand right near the falls entrance. And we are talking to the artist, the artist and the owner, Jerome. And he was telling us some things about all his creations. Now, these are the voodoo dolls. And this is the one that I had a problem with at one time until I gave it away to a friend of mine, and then they got the bad luck. And he also makes these. You can see these at Balate Tree. These are from the faith healers. These are potions for killing pain, dealing with ailments and all that stuff. And he just showed me, because he makes all this stuff by hand. And he made this right here. This is his masterpiece. Now, what is this again, Jerome?
The treasure guard. So this is the treasure guard, but we don't have like any kind of reference. So this is creating by my mind. So we are drawing first things you can draw, then first layout to the wood.
Okay.
So this is like the masterpiece for exhibit. Yeah, that is called looks like the Poseidon's, but different, a little different.
And he just cracked open.
We have the 40 different kinds of. This is the carving knives here, and this is more than 40 kinds different of chisels. Of the carved flat one,
knives.
This is the V-tools, this is the carving knife.
So how many total tools are there in here?
This is the 1/4 carving knife, and this is the 1 inches carving chisels.
And these are all fabricated by hand. These tools,
Yeah, this is the handmade arts.
You don't go down to Home Depot and pick up yourself up some chisels and stuff. And sharpen them on whetstones and everything. Yeah, that's sharp. I'm not gonna mess with that. Wow, that's crazy. So yeah, if you're here at Lugnasan Falls, and I highly recommend Lugnasan Falls. It's much nicer at this point than Cambugahay, because there's just too many people at Cambugahay. You can just park right here. This is the entrance to the falls, right over here. And Jerome and his family shop, and his little daughter's right there. She's baby sleeping. And you can check out all his stuff for sale. And the prices are quite reasonable, so check it out.
Reaction. Wholesome lang. Baby.